Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle 300. Great car, guys. Recent frame-off restoration. It's finished in tropical turquoise. It's got the black vinyl interior. I actually bought this from just an awesome couple out of Tennessee. Good, solid Tennessee body. Great car. It's got a little cammed up 327 in it with a Muncie 4-speed, disc brakes, tubular front A-arms. Great car, man. I wouldn't be afraid to get in this thing, turn the key, and go anywhere. Just an awesome car. Again, good, solid, straight body. It's got a set of 15-inch American Racing Torque Thrust Ds all the way around it. Beautiful paint. Just a really classy, nicely done vehicle. Pretty car. Ed loves this car. Ed was with me when I was at a show down in Tennessee when I bought it. He instantly fell in love with it. And I'll tell you what, when you drive it, man, it's just a sweetheart, guys. Chrome and stainless are very nice. There's not a whole lot other than there are a couple little touch-up marks you can really nitpick in it. Beautiful car. He actually said he's selling this and building his wife a 53 Chevy pickup. Just a gorgeous car. You see a little scratch there in the rear glass, but that's just nitpicking. I'll tell you what, this thing is priced right, guys. Sorry, just a little dust there, guys. Nice and straight down the sides. Car sits good. It's got a great sound to it. I love that 4-speed. Just a little dust on the bumpers, guys. Sorry, it's that time of year. There's a little touch-up mark there by the lock. I think they got it with a just a little touch-up mark. Nothing crazy. Again, it's got front disc brakes, tubular upper and lower control arms. This is a 65 date-coated 327, 300 horse engine, Holley 4-barrel, Muncie 4-speed. It's got the Weiand aluminum intake, does have headers. It's got the GM double hump heads, power steering and power front disc brakes. Accel HEI distributor. This is actually an aluminum radiator that utilizes the factory shroud. Love the finned aluminum valve covers on the car. This thing is nice. Again, all tubular A-arms. Right there. Great car. Good, solid body. Really, just turn the key and go have some fun. New mirrors, new door handles. Factory bench seat, factory floor shifter. It's got the sports steering wheel in it. $17,108 on the odometer. I'm sure that's 117. Factory tach car. It's got the factory dash in. It does have some aftermarket gauges underneath there. It's got a Audiosounds AM/FM radio in it. It's got the kick panels and everything with the speakers. Flowmaster X-Spike dual exhaust. It is a 10 bolt 323 limited slip rear end. Something you can turn the key and go cruise. It's even got a torque thrust spare. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. Just a good car, guys. Again, bought it from an older couple. They've got quite a few cars. The only reason he was selling it, he was, like I say, going to build his wife a pickup truck, or they're in the process of building it. It was very nice underneath. Dash is nice, gauges are nice, that steering is beautiful. New carpet. Nice little cam to it. Outstanding car right there. Tach works. All your gauges work. I know the parking brake works. It's got the backup lights on a toggle switch underneath the dash. Awesome car, man. I know the radio works, but the only thing I didn't get to work was the blower motor. You see how nice the doors open and close. Fit and finish is excellent. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page or our Instagram page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Man, that's a nice car. Sorry, guys. Have a great day.